Hello good people. Today, we are going to cover 5 best portable DJ controllers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Pioneer DJ DDJ802 Deck Rekordbox DJ Controller. It recreates the layout and features of Pioneer DJ's professional club standard CDJ NXS2 media players and DJM mixers, but in a single unit for controlling the company's Rekordbox software. It also unlocks a performance-ready version of Rekordbox so that you don't have to pay for a subscription to the software, unless you want to unlock extra features like the DVS, digital vinyl system, Plus Pack, or other subscription levels for music library cloud storage and syncing. The DDJ800 gives you basically everything from the popular 4-channel DDJ1000 except in a smaller, 2-channel version that weighs about 1.3 kilograms less and costs about $400 less. The DDJ800's mixer has 2 stereophono/line audio inputs, so you can use the controller's channel faders, trims, and EQs for external turntables and media players, as well as using Rekordbox's effects on the external sources. The 16 performance pads, 8 per deck, control several pads modes: hot cues, pad FX, beat jump, sampler, keyboard mode, beat loop, and key shift, which can automatically change the key of the upcoming track to match the master deck or shifts the keys up or down to your liking. Number 2. Our second best pick is Numark Touch Compact 2-deck USB DJ Controller. For an ultra-compact DJ controller weighing only 12 ounces and measuring 12.4 by 3.4 inches, the Numark DJ2GO2 Touch dishes out a surprising amount of controls and functionality. There are many reasons to have such a tiny DJ controller, including the ability to take a mini rig almost anywhere to casually play from either a laptop or an iOS device. Each mini deck includes playback controls, headphone cue controls, level, pitch fader for trigger pads, and a jog wheel. The DJ2GO2 Touch jog wheels have been upgraded from the previous DJ2GO2 controller to be capacitive on the top to enable both scratching and track nudging from the jog wheel's side. There are even 4 selectable pad modes: cue triggering, auto looping, manual looping, and sample triggering. When used with the included Serato DJ Lite, you can DJ with streaming music from SoundCloud and Tidal. Track library browsing and deck loading round out the DJ2GO2 Touch to make it a very attractive option either as a starter DJ controller or an alternate second controller for when small size matters. Number 3. Our third best pick is Roland DJ202 DJ Controller. While the Roland DJ202 measures up as a super solid 2-channel controller for Serato software, it's not the least expensive option out there. What makes it an irresistible prospect for serious DJs on a budget is its inclusion of an upgrade to Serato DJ Pro, for U.S. customers only. You may have to jump through some hoops with customer service to get the Serato DJ Pro license, but DJ202 buyers are still getting it in 2022. Either way, the DJ202 is packed with features for its size. 2 effects sections give you full control over Serato's internal audio effects, and the mic input has onboard reverb and echo. Its 8 performance pads per side support 8 pad modes, including one that lets you use the 16 total pads together to sequence drum beats using the famous sounds of Roland's classic drum machines, the TR-909, TR-808, TR-707, and TR-606. A MIDI output also lets you sync the DJ202 tempo from the software to external MIDI gear like samplers, synthesizers, or drum machines, a rarity for a DJ controller. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Rain 1 Complete DJ Set and DJ Controller. Among DJ-focused brands, Rain has carved out a niche as one of the most trusted and beloved names that concentrate on the needs of scratch DJs. The company makes some of the best scratch DJ mixers, such as the 72 MKII, and now it has laid claim to some of the best DJ controllers for scratching. While you can scratch with most DJ controllers with jog wheels, dedicated scratch DJs most often prefer to use vinyl turntables to scratch, because that's where they have the most control and the best feel to practice their art form. Rain 1's mixer section has 6 FX buttons for calling up effects combinations within the DJ software, and the aluminum FX paddles give scratch DJs the effects control they crave, the ability to lock the effects on or to momentarily toggle the effects on with the paddle down. For the pure feel of a full-size turntable in a DJ controller, Rain also makes the 12 MKII, which works like a full-size, vertically oriented, 12-inch motorized turntable controller for DVS-enabled Serato DJ Pro, Traktor, and Virtual DJ. However, for scratch DJs who want the best of both the DJ controller and vinyl manipulation worlds in a single unit that at about 27 by 14 inches is much smaller than 2 turntables and a mixer, nothing beats the Rain 1. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Native Instruments Traktor Control S2 MK3 DJ Controller. There are many DJ controllers aimed at beginners. But if your goal is to not remain an entry-level entertainer forever, the Native Instruments Traktor Control S2 3 Malawian Quatches lets you start out with a manageable piece of hardware that semi-pro and pro-level DJs will still use when a gig calls for a relatively small DJ controller. Even better, beginners can start out with the free Traktor DJ2 software, available for Mac, Windows, and iPad, which is very approachable to beginners yet still has the core features you need for credible DJ sets. Aside from its manageable size, about 19.1 by 10.4 inches, and flexible software options, the S2 3 Malawian Quatches puts a decent amount of controls at your fingertips for a small controller. There are 16 total performance pads for triggering saved cue and loop points, multi-purpose touch-sensitive jog wheels for searching waveforms, nudging playback, and scratching, and 4 mixer FX on each deck, filter, reverb, delay, and flanger. It even supports 4 deck operations in Traktor Pro 3. While the Traktor Control S2 3 Malawian Quatches treats beginners well, it also gives them room to grow into seasoned DJs. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.